Hello, everyone over there at Tesson Roofing. Hi, my name is Charles, and this is the video I mentioned in my Facebook message where I just did some research around your area and in your niche, and I saw that there's some opportunities that you might not be taking advantage of, and figured I can just shoot you a video showing you some free tips and suggestions that you can take and implement yourselves or give them to whoever does this kind of work for you for your digital marketing or SEO work, and hopefully you can benefit from this. If not, I mean, I'd like to, if you like what you see and you'd like to work together, just let me know. I would be very open to discussing. So I'm sure you're asking, why do I do this? Why do I do this? Well, I realized talking to a lot of business owners, sometimes there's so much information out there and they get confused on who to go with or what to do. And also, there's a steep learning curve in this kind of stuff, and business owners usually don't have the time to invest in learning this stuff. So I just wanted to give a few free tips that you can take and implement. They are content, citations, and backlinks. Before I get started, um, why am I giving these tips? Well, we know that these days, whenever someone's looking for a local service business like yours, for example, in St. Louis, 90% of adults choose to search on Google for that roofing service. 70% of them do not leave the front page. So, for example, if I was in St. Louis and I wanted to look for a roofing contractor, I'd probably type something in like roofing contractor St. Louis. This is known as a keyword, this phrase that people type into St. Louis, into Google, and the results are usually arranged with Google ads at the top, very top, the map pack right after the Google ads, which is three companies with the map of the local area. Sometimes you'll have an ad as well here, Google ad in the map pack. And then your organic search results. This is where you can find a lot of your competitors grabbing traffic from you if you're not ranking high, and especially in the map pack. But I'm going to talk about this later. So let me get started. Content. Content is everything that's on your front page. All the words, all the text, the pictures, the words behind the pictures. For example, what the pictures are saved as. If I try and save this one image of yours, I can see that it's saved as nice house pointed roof shingles edited scales .webp. And then this one is saved as Tesson roofing shingles bundles edited. It's important to save them with keywords like that I showed you, especially these buyer intent keywords, so that Google starts to recognize what your website is relevant for and starts to put you in front of those searches. I use a tool called Ahrefs to analyze keywords, and for example, I put in roofing contractors in St. Louis because that's the same search that we did, and you can see, sorry, here, there are about 300 people who search for that every single month. Now, where was showing you the other matching terms that people search for, related terms. For example, roofing Missouri, about 400 people search for that every month. Roofing contractor in St. Louis, 300 people. Roofing contractors in St. Louis, 300 people look for that every month. So you can see there's a lot of opportunity in being on the front page of Google, because all this traffic is probably going to your competitors. And we can tell that because with this same tool, again, it's a popular tool out there called Ahrefs, you can look at the traffic share by domain. So being at the very front, Angie.com gets about 62 people out of the 300. I'm sure you might recognize a few of these. For example, Ferguson Roofing. I think that's I'm sorry, St. Louis Roofing, probably. This might be a competitor of yours. Let's look at their website. And you can tell right away that they have a little bit more content in terms of words than your site, and that's probably why they're ranking higher. However, it's to optimize with Google, it's important to have between 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative text that contains the keywords. Save pictures as keywords as well. Authoritative meaning shows exactly what you do, who you are, where you service, etc. So that's enough of content. Let's talk about citations. Now let's come back to the map pack here. After Google search, we're talking about this map pack area. Now, what is a citation? A citation is wherever your business is cited, your name, address, and phone number is cited in online directories. For example, Yelp, Better Business Bureau, Dexnos, Yext, etc. The higher in relevancy compared to your niche, and the higher in number than your competitors, you are going to rank higher and higher in this map pack. There's some other tools and tips to rank higher in the map pack, and this map pack is pretty important. We all know, we've all searched with Google and ended up clicking on something on the map pack. For example, it's important to geotag your pictures, use a competitive number compared to your competitors, number of pictures, and so on. There are different tricks and tricks you can do to just rank higher up than your competitors. So the final part I want to talk about is the organic listing section here, where we saw all this traffic from a keyword goes to. So this section is has a lot to do with backlinks. If you think of the internet as a collection of web pages, a backlink is when one different web page links to yours, sending traffic to you. Not all backlinks are the same. For example, say an Arby's is linking to you. That doesn't have the same relevancy to Google as a roofing forum, in Missouri, that has a blog out and that links to you. So to rank higher here for different keywords, it's important to look at your competition. So for example, St. Louis Roofing is your competition, and analyze their backlinks and make sure you have the same quality backlinks and higher in number. Now, this is just analyzing one keyword and analyzing one of your competitions. It's important to go through all your competition. Make sure you get rid of your lower performing backlinks and make sure you have better, higher performing and high in relevancy backlinks than your competitors, and you'll surely start to rank higher for different keywords. So I can tell that your site is not doing that bad. However, you are missing on opportunities out there. You have quite a number of keywords, quite a number of backlinks, and you're getting a lot of traffic from them. However, if we look at the actual traffic you're getting, it comes from not a lot of buyer intent keywords. For example, a roofing contractor in St. Louis, someone searching for that is probably searching for the service immediately. And a lot of your, let's arrange this by traffic, a lot of your keywords are not, the ones that are giving you a lot of traffic are not buyer intent, and you'll see what I mean in a minute. Okay, so certainty, landmark, shingle colors, Tesson landmarks, shingle colors. I'm just noting that you're getting quite a bit of traffic, but this could be anyone searching for commercial guttering or landmark shingle, what it is. However, compared to your competitor, St. Louis Roofing, they're showing up for more buyer intent searches. Commercial roofer St. Louis, roofing contractor St. Louis. That's more buyer intent. Therefore, they're getting more, even though it's a little bit less traffic, they're getting more buyer intent traffic. That's something to just take a look at. All right, thank you. I went way over, but I just wanted to give you some free information. Feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or feedback. Again, my name is Charles, and I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.